my creative chums. How are you all doing out there on planet COVID? I want to remind you how lucky you are actually, because you are creatives. I was speaking to somebody the other day who was complaining how bored she was and had resorted to playing Scrabble on her own. Well, it's a bit sad, isn't it, really? But as creatives, we'll always find something to keep us entertained. So remember that in your darkest hours. Anyway, YouTube reminded me that it was 6 months, yes, since we went into planet COVID land, 6 months since I offered 10 of my courses for free. Well, I'm now making you another offer. Alas, not for free, but I am offering 10 of my best-selling, top-selling, most popular, yummy, scrummy courses for just €10 or $12 or £12 or whatever it is. It's around 10 something anyway. Now, all the details will be in the description box below this video. Okay, so just think about this. I've also included my beginner's course, which is normally selling for €75. So maybe you could encourage somebody who wants to learn to paint but think they can't, and give them a little gift to perk them up. I've also included, as well, coming up to Thanksgiving and Christmas and other things, the card making courses, which I hope you will find very useful. So all the details are in the box below, but I just want to warn you of one little thing. When you take the link and you click on it and it takes you to the course, you scroll down to pay for it by pressing the button. Now down there you will see the price it is actually on sale for. So for example, the beginner's course, you'll see €75, but when you click on the button it shows you the bill of what you are actually paying. So don't go so far and think, oh, it's not working, it's broken, it's all wrong or whatever. Just press purchase by me. I must have this course or whatever it is, and you will find the price will come up. So I hope that gives you some joy out there, and wherever you are, keep safe and keep painting. Bye for now.